I'm Maria Francis Jones. I study Sport BTEC and I achieved a distinction merit. My highlight at college has been that I've been able to gain my first international women's senior Welsh cap while studying and playing at Coleg Cymoedd and making lots of new friends. My plans after college are to go to Manchester City Football Club, where I've just signed a contract, and also to study in Manchester Met University. I chose Coleg Cymoedd because it's the best college in Wales for me to pursue my football career.